Greetings. Yeah, so it's another beautiful day here on earth. I live on earth. Yeah, so one of my friends told me the best way to substitute a product is by going for a first substitute of that product. So for many years, Oraimo has taken over the market, and guys have been talking about it. And I've seen several comments on, and perhaps I've also experienced, because in terms of, if we talk about quality, yes, they do, but I normally consume in terms of their cables. Yes, their cables, the charging cables, the normal cables, they are of high quality, but I've never tested anything like a charger or something. But somebody was telling me the best substitutes are for Oraimo. If you cannot get the original Samsung watch or maybe original Apple watch, you can still go for Oraimo and feel or get the same features that you get when you buy Samsung phones. I was like, yeah, why not? So let me try it out. So today's video, we are going to unbox Oraimo watch. Yeah, it's brand new. I got it for around 2,800 shillings. Yeah, so we are going to check it out to see how it goes. We'll do the unboxing together. Let's see how it works out. Yes. So we are tearing it down right away without wasting time. Yeah. Off the covers now. Let's go straight to unboxing it. Yeah, so the box is now empty. We throw it away. We deep dive down. There's a user manual here, but I don't think if there's anything unique with this watch that you've never seen before. So again, the user manuals, I don't like going through them. I just use the knowledge that I have. And then inside the box, this is what you have. Yeah, you have the charger there. It really resembles the watch that I have. This one, I can see the charger with some magnetic stuff. I'll try out to see if it's the same thing. And you have your watch there, well packed with its straps on. Don't know if they are on. Yes, they are on. The straps are on. So this is the watch. This is what you find inside the box. Yeah. So let's get to business. This is the charger, as I said. It has some magnetic, I don't know, where are they? These are magnetic poles. I think even the watch is designed in such a way that if you are able to, if you connect them opposite sides, they are not going to work, they repel. But in a case where they're in the right direction, unlike poles, they're going to attract and the watch will start charging. That is the charger. Then you have your watch there. The box is empty now. You have your watch here. Yeah. So now that I had read about its functionality, I know from the back of this, we have some sensors below. These ones are for charging. These are the charging where you attach your charger. It just makes contact with some magnets. And then you have this. These ones are sensors. These ones for monitoring your blood glucose, blood weight, and so forth and so forth. Yeah, so it looks like a beautiful watch. For that kind of money, I think it's good. as it gives you the sports mode. According to what they've written here, they've said that it has it's a full HD 2.01 full touch screen, more than 28 days standby, not sure about that. 105 sports mode, over 100 sports mode you get here. Then you have blood oxygen and heart rate monitor. So these are used because you are seeing some sensors over there. So if I power it on, and I think we just have to connect to the phone so that we can have some app connecting your phone, connecting with the phone connecting with the smartwatch. Then from there you are able to monitor your heart rate. Anytime you have an activity, you can still monitor, and so on, guys. So let's just power it on. Let's see how it behaves. So together we remove this top cover. Done. It's here. This is it. So let's power it on. Powering it on, you just hold your that button over there. It vibrates, and wow, it's on. And you can see I still have some reflections, but I'm able to get a nice picture. I don't know if you're able to see that. So I just go ahead and select my language here, which is English, and then it gives you a scan box to download the app from this. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. So greeting, guys. After scanning the QR code, it takes you direct to home screen. You'll find something like whatever is advertised is what is here. So you'll find custom. You can change those the way you want to any of your choice. For example, this one, this is what you'll find. Yeah, and you can see it's working well. Then also you can see, just look at that, it's cool. It feels very good in the hands. You can measure almost everything that it's saying, whatever is advertised there. Okay, you can monitor your what could this be? Are these heart rates? I don't know. Blood oxygen, you can measure them from here. You can measure pressure from this one. I don't know, that is sleep. There's music, there's weather. Yeah, so everything that is advertised here is here. It's not fake. Yeah, you also have apps here. Yeah, a lot of things that you can do with this watch. So it is true that Oraimo watch is, I've used it for almost a day now. You can see the battery is full. Look at that. Since I charged it in the morning, I have not lost even one bar. You can see that. And I've been using it for quite some time. Yeah, and also, so for the custom wallpapers, you'll see that each wallpaper has its own thing. For example, now what it displays, you can see there are so many that you can select as per your choice. There are some you can download in the app. Yeah, so that is it. Yeah, so it is a premium watch. I think you can also make Bluetooth calling because there is a microphone over here. I don't know if you can see that, this one here. So it's a nice watch. It's a nice watch according to me. It doesn't look the same as there's a H19 model of Xiaomi that I bought. This one is a bit disappointing because you don't get everything that you want here. You can't measure heart rate, blood oxygen, and so forth and so forth. It's a smartwatch, but yes, you can't do that. But it has 100 plus sport modes and so on and so on. So compared to this is around 1800, almost. I don't know if it's 2K, but this one is around 28 there. So it's, yes, I would add the extra monies to get Oraimo. So thank you, Oraimo. This is good. If you're planning to take, yeah, so take this review as your, I don't know, take this review as your benchmark. You can always get Oraimo and get good good quality, value for money. Yeah. So thank you guys. See you in the next one.